Are you spinning loads of plates within your business for unproductive tasks that are producing no results and eliminating your profit? Follow my video and let's really explore this area. Hi, I'm Michael from MDH Accountants. If you like this video, click the bell to subscribe to be notified of all of our business tips and business growth strategies. Have you heard of Pareto's 80-20 rule? You may not. So how can you use this principle to help ignite your business and make it tons more efficient? In a nutshell, Pareto's law of 80-20 is basically saying that 20% of your inputs will create 80% of your outputs. So in a nutshell, where is the gold within your business of that 20% that you could squeeze harder that would produce even more results for a lot less effort, allowing you to scale more bigger and also increase your profitability within your business? So as we sit here now, where is that 20% gold that's within your business today? This can apply throughout your business. It can also apply throughout your personal life as well. What we're ultimately looking for is value. And when you're looking at value, we can also relate it back to sales and marketing, yeah? So when we're out there and we're marketing and we're looking to gain new customers, new clients, it's like, where do we get them from? And when you actually get under the bonnet and you've got really good data that is accurate, you can sometimes find that, oh, there's one channel here that is producing a flood of leads. That could be from networking, that could be from social media, it could be from YouTube, it could be professional referrals, it could be anywhere. But if you've got that one opening that's producing absolute gold for 20% of the effort, that's producing 80% of the results, what happened if you did more of that? If you squeezed and pushed the button a little more, would it increase the results even further, allowing you to build more business growth and profitability? Now, when you're growing a business, the best way to grow is to sell more services or stuff to current clients. And what you tend to find when you actually go into people's client lists, especially if they've got recurring customers like we have, you will actually notice that there's normally a 20-25% of the customers that are producing 70 to 80% of the revenue of the company. And then what you normally find is when you go delving into this a bit more, there's more opportunities within these customers that is not currently being squeezed by the company, which could mean that they're going other places and not actually using you for all the services that you can deliver. So within your client base and within your customers, regardless of how frequently they buy, who are your top 20, top 40, top 30 customers? And how well are you looking after them and how good are you servicing them so you are giving them loads of value but also making as much money as possible year on year? Now, you may have a really good handle this, you may not, but honest to God, sit down and analyze, and that could be literally dumping your invoice listing from zero. You may have a customer list. There's a whole different ways that you can do it. It could be from an EPOS system. It could also be from a Shopify online. But is there any data that you've got where you can actually identify what customers are spending a lot and which ones are your absolute gold? And with their absolute gold customers, how can you provide more value to them, which could then give them more services, which then increases your revenue? Now, it's really easy to be in business where you go, oh, I know what I do to make money and grow. I'll just work harder. And you go, work. And it doesn't quite produce the same results. Because you're probably sitting there and you may have done a load of random things that have not got a defined strategy, that have not got a defined meaning, and not concentrating on the real value, the real exciting stuff, the stuff that's going to make you a load of money. So could you, in your business, either tweak what you're currently doing to analyze this, and that could be in items like a windows of opportunity chart, to actually get more out of your current client base? Because you have sometimes gold there waiting to be dug up and it's not even looked at because other people are just looking at going to get new customers. So what could you do today where you either start this process for the very first time, or how can you enhance it even further so you get more value for your business? Drop me a message, I'd love to know. Now, while it's good to look at your top 20 customers as well, what I would also be looking at as well is what customers have you got that are not in your top 20 that have the potential to be in your top 20? And what basically lower down could even be your best customer. So while you're farming and you're analysing, you're really understanding your client base, how could you actually get potential stars of the future? Because you don't have to look new, you don't have to find a brand new one on social media, Google AdWords, or anywhere, or even acquire them. They may already be in your lap. So which ones have you got in the future that are going to be uber exciting for the future? How many of them have you highlighted And do you have a defined strategy within your business that allows you to take these up and coming people and turn them into shiny stars? I would also review the cost of your business as well, because there'll be a load of costs in your business that are producing absolute little value. So make sure you're doing a really decent expenditure analysis within your business to make sure you are 100% clear on everything that you're spending is providing good value. And if it is providing good value, you might want to spend more in that area and spend less in somewhere that's not producing any return at all. Now, I hope this video has really helped, and if I could help in any way, click a link below. The Calendly link will allow you to book a call in my diary for a 30-minute Zoom call. I'll get to understand you, I'll get to understand your business. I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch. Now, if you're looking to really delve deep into your customers as well, and you're on a cloud accounting package, let us do some of the heavy lifting for you ourselves. We could do your 2-page business overview report, and in this complete area, we'll be able to also analyze what your customer activity has been over the last 2 years. This will be a gift from us, completely free of charge.